Hi, I'm Candy Cane Cancel on behalf of expertvillage.com. In this clip, we're going to finish up a really cool little makeup bag. Now we've just inserted the zipper, so what you want to do to sew up the sides is actually open up the zipper. And as you can see, our zipper was a little bit longer than our bag. So just take a pair of scissors, and you don't want to do this with your best pair of scissors. Maybe use your scissors that you would do for paper and just trim. Turn your piece so that the right sides are together, and you're going to pin on the sides. Pin all the way along the bottom. And then up the other side. And then you're just going to stitch up the sides and the bottom of your makeup bag. Take your pins out, and then you're just going to trim the excess. Turn your bag right side out. You want to poke out the corners. And there you have it, a very cool little fun makeup bag. For more info on this topic, visit my website at candyland.com.